The coordinate tool is located at the bottom center of the mapping application. This tool will provide coordinate information relative to the position of your mouse on the map. The following formats are available: degrees decimal minutes, base map, decimal degrees, degrees minutes seconds, X and Y, military grid reference system, United States National Grid, and Universal Transverse Mercator. The tool also provides the ability to either convert from one coordinate system to another, directly input a coordinate and center on its location, mark the location on a map, and/or adjust the display of the coordinate value. If you would like to mark the map with a textual representation of a coordinate point, you must copy the coordinate value from the tool and then use the text option from the Drawing and Text tool to add information.